Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can create Wise business account from Turkey. So let's get started. If you're in Turkey and want to create a Wise business account, it's important to know that Wise currently does not support business accounts for companies registered in Turkey. This means if your business has a Turkish registered address, you won't be able to get account details or use Wise business features. However, there is a workaround. You can set up a business entity in a supported country, such as the UK, or within the EU, and then register your Wise business account using that company information. The process is simple. Go to wise.com/business, sign up as a business, and provide details like your business name, registration number, official address, website or business description, and verification documents such as IDs and proof of business activity. Wise will also ask for information about the owners or directors of the company. Once submitted, you'll pay a small one-time setup fee, and verification usually takes a few business days. After approval, you can use Wise Business to receive local account details, manage multiple currencies, make batch payments, and integrate with accounting tools, all without monthly fees. In short, while you can't open Wise Business directly in Turkey, registering your business in a supported country gives you full access to the platform. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.